In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update OkCupid app. By updating your OkCupid app, you'll be able to fix any errors or any problems related to your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for you to update your app and get the latest version, all you need to do is to go to Google Play Store or App Store on your Android smartphone or App Store. So I'm on my Android smartphone and therefore I'll go ahead and open my Google Play Store. And now you can see my app is here and we have an update. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the app is installed, now you can proceed and open to start using the latest version of OkCupid dating app. So that's how you can get the latest version of this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.